Hello, this is Khaldun from Canaan Coffee. Today we're gonna test this Properic espresso machine. It's really beautiful one. Let's test it and make a espresso shot.
So estimates, please estimate that one different machines. Julia, which machines are you diagnosing?
ECM.
You got the ECM, right?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, the very expensive Giga, that's the one on the back. Perfect. Let's go our Bluetooth with Seattle Grande. I think that's the next one.
The next one is the Cycle.
That's nice. It looks really beautiful and creamy and tastes great. Let's go ahead and test the steamer. That's nice.
I'm on this one.
And the hot water. Perfect. Everything is perfect. I really like this machine. Thank you for watching.